What's up, guys? So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing a install video of one of these Smittybilt 2780 air compressors underneath the hood of my 2006 Toyota 4Runner V8 Sport. I've had this air compressor for a while now and really like it. It works really good for the tire size I have right now, which is 265/75 R17. Along with that, we're also going to be doing a giveaway of another one of these. All you got to do is go to my Instagram page. I'll have the link in the description. Go there, follow it. There'll be a post on there. Go to that post and tag 3 of your friends that would also like to win one of these, and we'll give one of those away. I'll probably have the giveaway in about a week or so. So what's today? Today is September 14th. So someday next week it's going to end. So before then, enter to get a chance to win one of these. All right, so we'll start. You need to get some tools. All you're going to need is a 10mm socket, which I got right here, and a 10mm wrench, which I have also over here. Bam. I also got an impact drive. You're going to need a drill and some bits as well, just so you can drill out that hole. I actually didn't use a drill. I used a self-tapping bolt to drill that hole for me, and then take the bolt back out and put in one of these bolts. Now that we have this taken apart, the base plate's over here. Here's the compressor. This is the important part. All you're going to need is to keep 2 of the bolts from the base plate, 2 of the nuts, 4 of the washers, and 4 of the grommets for actually the rest of the install. Before we go over and take this to the truck, this is actually your air filter. It's cleanable and reusable. That's screwed onto this side, so we know the exact placement we need. We're going to carry this whole bad girl over. And like I said, we're installing this right behind the air filter. There's a perfect spot for it. We'll just test fit it. We're going to have it this way, so the button to turn it on and off is going to be facing the actual fender of the truck. So we'll put this down here. Sure enough. So when you go do this install for the first time, this is the second time I've done the install, there's going to be one hole down here that will line up perfectly. All you're gonna need to do is just drill out that hole. I think it's this hole right here. Drill it out so it fits the 10mm nut, and that's going to be your base. So that you're going to tighten that one down, and then you're going to figure out where this back one needs to go, and you're going to drill that one out. It's super easy. It's not going to go anywhere. Like I said, I've had this in my truck for a couple weeks now and have had no issues. So now that we're back over here, again, you guys would have drilled out these holes already. We're going to take one of these, put it on one of these feet, slide it through. Now, one thing you're going to have to do as well, along with this, is once we get it tightened down, we're going to take the measurement, how far this sticks out, and then we're going to cut off all the excess. Do that. Impact both. What we need to do is that we got both these impacted down. You're going to have to cut off all this excess. All right, guys, here it is installed over here. It fits really snug up against the air box, which is kind of nice. It's out of the way, and it still gives you enough room to hit the on-off button right down there. All we really got to do right now is run the power, which how it's going to kind of run. So what we'll do is we'll run these behind the hood strut. Then it's going to run on the back side. It's going to run along here all the way to the other side. so it can reach the batteries. So we'll do that right now. All you really need to do is just zip tie all that up, unless you want to make it look a little bit more professional. You can do whatever the heck you want. All right, now that we have it kind of plumbed out, I'm going to show you kind of how it works. So all you're going to do is hook this up to the negative and then positive. I do have plans to hardwire that at some point. I just need to figure out how. Whenever you need the air compressor, you're going to just come down here, turn the switch on, and you're ready to rock. I leave this wrapped up like that. When I'm not using this, there's this little foam pad back here. It has a perfect spot. Hook this up. I wish you guys could see it. I just mount those up there. You can see that. Mount those back there when I'm not using it. Tuck all that away. And now we're fully mounted. Now I'll show you kind of how the compressor works. Let me pull out my truck real quick so I can give you the full runaround. With it mounted right here, I mean, we have full reach with this stock cable to meet both sides. So it's the perfect location for my purposes. I'm sure it's a perfect location for a lot of people's purposes, because pretty much everybody that I know mounts their air compressors underneath the motor, or underneath the hood. So it's a good spot. The only issues I've heard of is, since it gets so hot under there, heat is an air compressor's least favorite friend. So your air compressor could have a shorter life expectancy. Again, I've had that under there for probably a month now and haven't had any issues. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. We could do videos, you know, light bar installations, or maybe CV axle changes. I don't know. Just maybe comment some suggestions down below. We'll try to knock that out. Again, we're going to be giving away one of these Smittybilt air compressors. All you got to do is go to our Instagram page, follow it. You'll see the post for this. I'm not sure, it'll probably have like a picture of the actual air compressor or something on it, saying that we're giving it away. Go there, tag 3 of your friends. Once you do that, you'll be entered to win. Again, I think I'll probably do the giveaway next week sometime, so you have some time to actually go there and check it out. I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Again, if you guys want more like it, just comment below. Peace.